iPlanstudio honestly is not the cheapest among the four, but it's also one that the plan is more comprehensive, I would say. Yeah, so that's how I try to shortlist a few IDs company. Hi, I'm Jayden. Welcome to my home. The key features that I like is some mixture of fluted patterns, right, along the island, and then it's rounded, and it serves quite a number of different purposes. So now, given I knocked down one of the common rooms, so there's more flexibility and more space, right, to have kind of like a walk-in wardrobe kind of feel. So then it makes the arranging of clothes easier, and then you can just hang them with more space as well, right? Then also, I guess the kind of glass feel is something that actually I was thinking of whether one without glass or just open concept, right, without any doors. But of course, I think the bad thing about without any door will be the clothes will get dusty. So that's why I choose the glass one instead of the convention with laminate, so that it looks more nicer and more classy. Murphy is more kind of approachable and easy to talk to. Right, so then I think it will be easier if you work with the person, right? Then you can share ideas and then evaluate each other's idea, and then I guess important that we can discuss, right? If not, then it will always be one way. It depends on your needs, right? But for myself, I guess maybe the wardrobe, your master bedroom, and then bathroom is because that's where you come back from work or from outside, and then you shower, and that's why I have a bathtub so that you can relax yourself. So I guess these are the areas that you probably should spend more on. Murphy is pretty, how to say, responsible, right? So whenever there is any touch-up required or any follow-up, then he will send people down, right, to look at the issues and then to complete any follow-ups. So I guess the after-sales service would probably be important, right? So I guess that's the part where I think he has been doing well, right? Because although the renovation process is important, right? But I guess the after-sale kind of things to follow up is actually quite a fair bit also. So I think that is a very important criteria which you wouldn't know until after the renovation completed.